Welcome to Adorama TV. My name is Marcin Lewandowski and you're watching the Viewfinder. In this episode, we'll look at 3 photographic-based ideas for Valentine's Day or just for a special gift for the one you love. I'll try to cater to all photographers and their more sane better halves. One of the ideas is a kind of DIY mini project to create spur-of-the-moment memories, and the other 2 are fantastic gifts that anyone interested in making images will enjoy. Let's start with the mini DIY project that you can pull off with minimal prep and enjoy during a night out. The idea is simple and probably as old as photography itself, and will be based on shaping bokeh, meaning out of focus areas, into hearts. You simply need to make a circular disc in the size appropriate for your lens and cut a heart shape in it. That's it. With a bit of practice, you will be able to turn practically any out-of-focus shapes into hearts. This will work best with any lights and any glowing or reflective bits and pieces, so I suggest you give it a go before your romantic night out on town. While at it, keep this idea in mind for other occasions and cut out stars for the Independence Day or maybe a Christmas tree, well, for Christmas. When in love, you want to hold on to that amazing feeling and be able to come back to it, relive and share it with your other half. We make amazing photographs of special moments, but in the digital era, how many of them do we print at all? A way around this, and something as well as being fun, can be a very special way of documenting special moments. It is achievable. Thanks to instant photography, we can make it happen. A long story short, Polaroid instant film is back. After nearly 10 years of me fiddling with the Impossible project and Fuji Instax, the real legend is back and we can get it in a number of different frames and in various colors, silver or gold, and in both color and black and white options. There is also a great choice of cameras on the market, and whether you will unearth your old 600, get a refurbished space-traveling SX70 or pick one of the brand new offerings from Polaroid, the choice is as good as ever was, if not better. With instant photographs, you can create something that can be shared with just this one person, and if anything goes wrong, well, simply rip it apart so it will never be seen again. And while we're at creating something special, maybe try combining instant photograph and a bit of DIY love I just mentioned for even more memorable effects. If you're not into DIY or instant photography and you're simply looking for a suitable gift for a photographer, I suggest something from the Lensbaby line. They have a great lineup of fun lenses that photographers often dismiss as toys, but from the cheapest Lensbaby Spark to the Velvet 56, there is something quirky not only for every taste and budget, but almost any camera mount imaginable. While Spark is the latest update of the original 2004 Lensbaby, Velvet 56 goes way further than that, offering soft focus like the 100-year-old Pershade lens. Soft focus and Valentine's Day go hand in hand, and its effect will be definitely suitable for this occasion. Add to this practicality as a one-to-one marker lens, and you will definitely make a photographer happy. That's all from me this time. Have a romantic day and night out. This was Marcin Lewandowski for Adorama TV. Subscribe to our channel for more and check out the Adorama Learning Center for more photographic ideas as well as great tips and tutorials. You can also check me out on Instagram @SoundOfPhotography. See you next time.